In this video, you'll learn how to allow anyone to upload files to a specific folder in your Google Drive. This is really useful if you're collecting photos from an event, gathering documents from a team, or just need an easy way for people to send you files without messing with complicated settings or accounts. First, open Google Drive in your browser. The easiest way is to go to your usual web browser, type Google Drive into the address bar or search, and sign into the Google account you want to use. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google logins, because the folder you create and share will live inside this specific drive. Once Google Drive is open, you'll see your files and folders. At the top left, click on the New button. From the menu that appears, choose Folder. Give your folder a clear descriptive name so people know what it's for, like event photos, uploads, or shared submissions. Then click Create. If you already have a folder you want to use, you don't need to make a new one, just locate that existing folder instead. Next, find the folder you want to use in your drive. When you see it, right-click on the folder. This will open a menu with different options related to that folder. From this menu, click on Share. This is where you control who can access the folder and what they're allowed to do. A sharing window will appear. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, this may be set so that only specific people can access the folder, or it might say restricted. Click on this setting and change it to anyone with the link. This means that anyone who has the link to this folder will be able to access it, even if you don't add them individually. They won't need to sign in with a Google account, which makes it much easier for guests, clients, or collaborators. Once you've set it to anyone with the link, you'll see a permission drop down next to it. Click on that and change the permission to editor. This is the key step. Viewer access would only allow people to see files. Commenter access would allow them to comment on files. Editor access allows them to upload files, move them around inside the folder, and make changes. If your goal is to let people upload files to this folder, they must have editor access. Keep in mind that giving editor access means people can also delete or modify files in that folder, so it's usually best to create a dedicated folder just for uploads and avoid sharing your entire drive or important folders this way. After you've set the permission to editor, look for the copy link button in the same sharing window. Click copy link. This copies the special sharing link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere. Finally, share this link with the people you want to upload files. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, a text, or even embed it in a document or website. When someone clicks that link, they'll be taken directly to your shared folder and will be able to upload files into it. And that's it. You've set up a Google Drive folder where anyone with the link can upload files, making it simple to collect content from multiple people in one organized place.